Good day, everyone. Today I am super excited because I'm going to do my first ever review on my channel. And the review is gouache from Arteza. I bought the 24 color set on Amazon. And there's a lot of color in it. I am so excited for this, sorry. My first impression is that the tubes are pretty at a medium size, and yeah, it arrived in one box with 4 little containers inside. In each container they put 6 tubes, all arranged very satisfying and pleasing to the eye, at least for me. I really like it when everything is very color coordinated and organized like that. Okay, let's take out my favorite color, yellow, of course, and just see what kind of range they have in yellow. And I also noticed that they have 2 types of white, the titanium white and the normal white. One is for mixing and the other one is just, I think, maybe for a base or something. I'm not entirely sure. And I also picked up the peach color, and I thought that was such a pretty color. And I also picked up some gold line brushes. These are synthetic hair brushes, and I read that these are very good with gouache because sometimes watercolor brushes can be too soft apparently, so I'm going to try that out. And there really was a need for very thin brushes. Okay, and I just have to see how the peach color, looks when you use it. And it was very neon. I was so shocked by that, but I still really like it. And I figured out that you'd have to use, at least for me, I have to use a lot more water because I thought, oh, maybe it's quite liquidy, but it isn't. Now, let's go to the part I always want to see when I see a review, and that's the actual painting. I want to see, and I'm very curious to see how the brushes do and how the paint performs with the brushes. So yeah, let's paint. First, I'll mix the burnt sienna with the burnt umber. By the way, I already sketched this off camera because I wanted to do some hand studies, but it wasn't the perfect time to, I don't know, do it, I guess. This is all just an experiment. I don't really know how to use gouache. This is my very first time, so I hope I'll get better. I use some ultramarine for the very dark shadows. That's a very dark blue. And the yellow ochre for the midtones, I think. gouache before, so I'm very excited to try it out and just see how it well works. It is super affordable. I bought it for $19.99, I think, at most $23. And this is just perfect for students or just people that want to try out gouache paint for the first time, just like me. And it's certainly very different than using my usual watercolor. You really have to work in layers. And it didn't work out how I thought it would work out, but I did learn a lot from this study. So on my next hand, I'm trying to apply what I thought I learned. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with the gouache set, and I'm still going to try and practice and see what I can do with this. I'm very excited to see if I can improve my gouache skills my painting skills and see what I can make and create. Very excited. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!